Revolut Saving Vaults is a feature offered by Revolut, a digital banking app that allows users to set aside funds for specific goals or expenses. This feature is designed to help users save money efficiently and achieve their financial objectives. To get started with Revolut Saving Vaults, users need to have a Revolut account. Once you have an account, you can create a vault by logging into the app and navigating to the Vaults section. Here, you can set up a new vault by choosing a name, goal, and target amount for your savings. Revolut Saving Vaults offer several benefits, including the ability to set up automatic transfers from your main account to your vault. This allows you to save a fixed amount regularly, making it easier to reach your goals. Additionally, you can add money to your vault manually at any time, providing flexibility in your savings plan. A key concept to understand when using Revolut Saving Vaults is that the funds in your vault are still part of your overall Revolut account balance. This means you can access your money at any time if needed. But it also helps to keep your savings separate from your everyday spending money. To make the most of Revolut Saving Vaults, it is essential to set clear and achievable goals. For example, you might create a vault for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or a big purchase. By doing so, you can focus your savings efforts and track your progress towards your objectives. Best practices for using Revolut Saving Vaults include setting up multiple vaults for different goals, using the automatic transfer feature to build savings habits, and regularly reviewing your vaults to adjust your savings plan as needed. By following these practices, you can effectively utilize Revolut Saving Vaults to manage your finances and work towards your goals.